We're recording.
You ready? Get a fish.
Ah, you bitch!
Jake, stop moving.
You just almost threw me.
Yeah, that's not really
Hey.
bad, so you don't try to throw me.
Daddy! What, the competition's over there? Okay.
No, stay over there right now.
Then I'll tackle all of you.
They're no fun. This is amusing, though.
The baby.
Hey, Joshua.
No.
Whack 'em.
No.
Watch out, Seth.
Whack up. Jacob, why'd you whack?
Oh, you did.
Don't sit up, because I'm like right above your
Yeah.
head.
Oh, you got it off. What'd you do?
Put me back in the water.
Hey,
Hey.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's the worst thing to come up from the other end.
ready?
Don't realize it.
There you go. Is that better? Ready? Put your arm through. Arm through the hole. Oh, yeah, no, put your arm through the hole. You want to go in the water?
Put your hands out more.
You want this off? This off.
Oh, you
Can't
don't
see.
say that.
Jump away.
She wants her bathing suit off. She's trying to get it off. Come on, come here. Here, don't want it off.
Are you
Jump out of
missing
the
bed?
Come on, come on. I'll fix it.
Ready, and
Yeah.
here they come.
You want your dress off? Is that why? You can't go in the water right now.
Too fast.
I just turned around right in my hand. That's all.
What do I do with her dress?
Nudie girl.
Let her go.
So not. Ow, do you think I am a jungle dog?
Yes.
Yes. Ow, you.
How cool.
That really
Come
hurt.
on! Travis! You're gonna catch one before me.
I just did.